You poop poop. I saw you. Someone is cutting grass, but mine should be good until next spring. We just planted garlic too. This is around the shed. Peanut in there. You good boy? Yeah? You wanna go home? You ready? Or not yet? We need to water the garlic. Yeah. 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 Stay there. You stay. Oops. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Ooh, it's windy. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Oop. All right. There we go. You wanna stay here? Oop. You wanna stay there? Good boy. You behave out here, huh? You behave out here. We need to plant tulips too. Yeah. Or you wanna go with me? Planting tulips. Yeah? Alright. That's a good idea. Okay, wait for me. I'm gonna grab tulips. Okay. Bye-bye.